Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the FlashLearn Examples repository on GitHub. It's packed with practical demonstrations, showcasing the power and versatility of this fascinating library.
I'm really excited about this. So FlashLearn, what exactly does it do? Is it primarily focused on a specific area like natural language processing or something broader?
Exactly. It's incredibly versatile. From what I've seen, it's designed to handle a wide range of tasks using different AI models. The examples directory on GitHub really highlights this. They've got examples for customer service, finance, marketing, even a personal assistant example.
Wow, that's a broad spectrum. So how are these examples structured? Are they just code snippets or are they more complete, runnable applications?
They're actually pretty complete. Each example is a self-contained Python script. You clone the repo, install FlashLearn using pip, set your API key, and you're good to go. They even provide clear instructions on how to run each example and where to find the results.
That sounds incredibly user-friendly. I see they have examples categorized by industry. That's a smart approach, making it easier to find relevant use cases.
Absolutely. It's a really well-organized repository. They've got folders for finance, marketing, software development, and more. Each folder contains several scripts demonstrating different applications within that domain. For example, the finance folder might have scripts for parsing financial reports or predicting stock prices. It's very comprehensive, I see. They even have a code-only examples folder. Interesting.
That's a nice touch. It suggests they're catering to different levels of users, from those who want to just see the core code to those who want a more complete, runnable example. What about the documentation? Is it well written and easy to follow?
The README is excellent. It provides a clear overview of all the examples, explaining what each one does and how to run it. It's very well structured and easy to navigate. They even have a section on how to set up your API keys, which is crucial for getting started.
That's reassuring. Sometimes, even with great examples, the documentation can be lacking. But this sounds like a well-rounded package. And Tim, I'm particularly interested in the personal assistant example. What kind of tasks can it handle?
From what I've quickly skimmed, it seems to focus on research assistance. It's not a full-blown personal assistant like Siri or Alexa, but it demonstrates the potential of FlashLearn for building more complex applications. It's a great starting point for anyone wanting to explore that area.
That's really impressive. The fact that they've included such a diverse range of examples, from simple code snippets to more complex applications, really speaks to the flexibility of FlashLearn. It seems like a valuable resource for anyone looking to learn more about using AI in different fields.
Precisely. It's not just about showing off the library's capabilities. It's about providing a practical learning experience. The examples are well documented, easy to run, and cover a wide range of applications. It's a fantastic resource for both beginners and experienced developers. I highly recommend checking it out. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.
Bye-bye.